Hello, 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 hello. Hello, I bet y'all say every time I come on, I'm adjusting this camera. Yes, I am. Good morning. It's after 10. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Joanne's Kitchen. How y'all doing this morning? I truly hope all is well. Well, this morning I come to y'all with a real quick recipe. I am going to be doing, before I get into the recipe, because I'm getting ahead of myself. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel, and welcome to Joanne's YouTube family. I'm so glad you want to be a part of the family. And to those of you that's watching this channel for the first time, you know what to do. Just remember to tap that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you want to be notified. So this morning I come to y'all with a real quick recipe. Well, it's gonna be some baking time. So I'm gonna be doing some taco wings. Now I already knew I wanted to do these taco wings, right? So while I was in the kitchen doing them, you know, cleaning them and stuff like that, and cutting them, because they was like whole wings. I took out like, well, my husband took out like 1 pack of wings, and so I cut them at the joint, and I still got the wing tip on, right? So as I was doing that, I decided to take it to another level. I said, okay, so I'm doing taco wings, but I'm gonna add some ranch to it and mix it with taco and ranch chicken wings. I don't know how in the hell it's gonna taste. Excuse my language. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I never did this recipe before, but I'm doing it today. And if I'm doing it, it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna take a little bit of I'm gonna take some taco seasoning, some ranch seasoning, I'm gonna mix it together. And we're gonna hope for the best. Okay? And then we having the taco potatoes, and we having corn on the cob. And that's today's quick recipe, okay? So let's get into this recipe. So in this pan right here, I have some aluminum foil. I'm gonna take my potatoes, I still have a whole potato in here. Okay, so I have red potatoes and golden Yukon potatoes, and I just used up all my red potatoes instead of just leaving them there, so they're mixed. Now I'm gonna move y'all over a little bit, excuse me for that. Let me tighten this damn thing back up. I gotta tighten this back up so it won't be falling. I don't like that. So I'm just going to pat my potatoes dry, make sure they're nice and dry. Now, even though I'm doing these bad babies with some and this, once again, y'all know, shoot, this is my way of doing things, right? So I got a little bit of olive oil on here. Now you can use any kind of oil that you have on hand. Canola oil, sun oil, or avocado oil, whatever kind of oil you have, that's what you use. I'm using olive oil, okay? So I'm just getting it all nice on my potatoes. And we're going to be using a little, I'm going to use kosher salt, black pepper, and I'm going to use some oregano and some Italian seasoning and some parsley. Okay, all these is just spices. Okay. So let me put my onions and bell peppers. I cut up some onions and bell peppers, so you know, to make it more Italian taco-y like. So I got like the different colors you see here, the red, yellow, orange, and green, and the white onion. And of course, we're going to add some garlic to that. So, I'm not doing my the fresh garlic. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of Miss Minnie's garlic jar and pour some in. And try to get some of this garlic juice. The garlic juice. Put that in there too. Oh, how I love garlic. Oh! I tell y'all I love myself some garlic. Okay. So I'm going to pour a little bit of Italian seasoning on here. And this is going into a 350 degree oven. And that's my Italian seasoning. This is my oregano. I'm using black pepper. I just changed it up again because I wasn't going to season it. Well, I gotta have a little seasoning, huh? Kosher salt. My taco seasoning. My ranch seasoning. I'm just gonna do the potatoes like this right here with the, mix it with the ranch and my parsley with the ranch. But the for the chicken wings, it's just gonna be, and I'm gonna use a little bit more olive oil. So for the chicken wings, it's just gonna be taco seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna season it. Okay, we're gonna combine all this goodness together. But this lemon pepper gonna be good. Okay, so I already have my oven preheated, so you want to make sure that you have your oven already good and piping hot, so it'll be good to go. You ain't got to wait on it, you know what I mean? And we're gonna do this uncovered. Yes, we is. I already got my my corn on the carbone. So I'm gonna move all this stuff out here over here out of the way, so I can get you guys. Sorry about that. So I can get you guys over here for the next recipe that we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on my butt out. Okay. Now for my taco wings, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some chicken wings, of course. Okay, I took the chicken wings. They was whole chicken wings, right? And I just took them and cut them off. I didn't cut them off the joint this time. I left a little tip on, okay? So I cut the drum part off. Okay, so we're gonna pat these dry. Okay, let me get a paper towel. Make sure they good and dry. Okay, now once they're good and dry, we're going to do this. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil on them, whatever kind of oil you're using once again. Okay, followed by a little kosher salt. Okay, and we're gonna do a little black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna set these to the side for a minute. Now you're gonna need a Ziploc bag. So you will be needing your wings, cut at the joint, or if you want the joint, the tip off, you will be needing salt and pepper, and your choice of oil, some taco seasoning, and some panko breadcrumbs. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our panko breadcrumbs. Let's open them up. And you may need more than one pack of taco seasoning because we got to cover these wings. So we're just going to pour some in there, and I'm going to start off with that, man. And I'm not going to coat them all at one time. I'm just going to put a few in at a time. And show you what we're going to do. Okay. So I'll put that back there. Okay, so we're going to take our seasoning, our taco seasoning pack. And if I feel like I need another pack, I'm going to add another pack, okay? So we're going to season our wings. I'm using 2 packs. Okay, so we're going to put our hands in here, mix it all up. So I still got some left in that pack. Okay. I said I'm going to use that little bit right there because I don't like to waste nothing, and besides, I don't know what this week I'm going to use that I'm going to need that taco seasoning pack, you know what I mean? I don't want stuff to stay in the refrigerator too long, unused. So, let me wash my hands. Then we're going to take some of those wings. I got this ranch. I got this one ranch over here. I might have to put it back over there. Put it back over there on the wings. But I don't want the wings to be all ranchy. I don't want the wings to be all ranchy. I mean the potatoes to be ranchy. I want to be able to taste that taco flavor in those potatoes too. So I'm just lining my thing up with some aluminum foil. Okay, so can y'all see what I'm about to do? Let me turn you over this way. Okay, so I got my wings here. And I'm going to take my wings and shake them up in this breadcrumb mixture. And just make sure they get nice and coated with the breadcrumb. Oh, shit. You're gonna need some flour. So I'm just gonna take some and dump some flour in here. Cause I forgot we gotta coat them with flour. So the flour and the breadcrumbs mix. Shake. Shake off your excess. Line it up on your thing, just like that. Now that's more better. That's how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna get these all lined up, all shaped up. You see what I did? I added flour into the breadcrumb mixture and laid it out on my pan. So I'm gonna get these all floured up and then I'll be back. Okay, this is what our wings are looking like once they've been in the season. I mean in the breadcrumb mixture and the flour. Okay, then we're gonna take some vegetable oil and we're just gonna spray them, okay? So this is more like oven fried taco wings. Okay, and they're gonna go into a 350-degree oven until the metabolism is done, okay? So I will see y'all back when everything is situated. So we have our taco chicken wings and we have our potatoes with our taco and ranch seasoning. Alright, so I see you guys back here when it's plated up. Okay, and I'm just going to spray them again. This helps with that crispiness. Alright, that's it. Y'all see how pretty they look? That's how they looking. So you take them out when they get like halfway brown, nice and coated, and then you spray them, and then we're going to put these bad babies back in the oven until they done. Okay, you guys. Welcome back. My dinner is done. My taco chicken wings. Y'all look how crunchy it is. Y'all see how crunchy it is? A nice and golden brown. Yes, that's all the chicken wings that we have left because I have fixed my plate. My husband fixed his. I fixed my husband's plate, and my oldest son, the one that lives here, he just fixed his plate before he went to work. So those are what's left of the chicken wings. Taco chicken wings, oven fried taco chicken wings. And these are the peppers. That's what's left. I mean the potatoes. This is what's left over from the potatoes. And there'll probably be some left after my baby boy fixed his plate whenever. And this is what my plate's looking like for me to go to work. So, oven fried taco chicken wings. Yes. Y'all see how nice and golden brown they came out? And our potatoes, our taco potatoes. Now I tasted the potatoes and corn on the cob I had fixed, okay? Now I tasted the potatoes and they taste good. But you guys, you know, I was doing taco potatoes. So I'm going to do this recipe with the taco potatoes. I'm going to do it over again. I'm going to do it different. Okay, so what made them, they taste different is because I season them with the salt and pepper, kosher salt, black pepper, and the oregano and the Italian seasoning. Then I put some of the taco seasoning on it and a little bit of the ranch seasoning on it. Okay, you do not taste the ranch because I think all the other spices overpowers that. So you don't taste, it don't taste the ranch at all. But you do taste the taco flavor. Okay, but mostly you taste the oregano and Italian season, the spices that I put on top of it. So the next time that I make these, I won't season them with the oregano and Italian seasoning. That was just a last minute thing. Okay, so next time I'll just use salt and pepper and the taco seasoning, 2 packs of taco seasoning, and then try it again with my thing. So I will definitely be making this recipe again, the taco potatoes. But for us, the taco chicken, it came out well. I like it. You know, oven fried chicken always come out good. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure that when you're doing, well, it don't have to be taco fried chicken. It just be plain regular oven fried chicken. Just season your chicken, put your powder on, and the best thing, instead of using like flour, will be like cornstarch or potato starch, because it gets it crispy too. But in this case, I did use all-purpose flour. And then what helps it too is that you take the vegetable oil and you spray on top of it. And then when it's starting to turn brown and stuff, you see what I did, take it out the oven and spray it some more. And this is what it looks like, the after fact. I'm gonna get y'all too close. I don't want it to look blurry, but can y'all see the little crunchiness of the chicken, or the taco chicken? And that was oven fried. So if you guys like this recipe, you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to Joanne's the Kitchen. Once again, I thank you all for watching. Until the next recipe, God bless. I will see you guys back here later with another recipe. I want to tell you. I just took all that skin off that chicken. Damn, it tastes good. And it's crunchy. It tastes good, y'all. And I can taste the taco seasoning on him. Y'all like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to Joanne's Kitchen. I'm out. God bless. I love y'all. Till the next recipe, stay safe. God bless.